Hey everyone, today we're doing another request video. This request was made over on Instagram, where I like to post some things early. So if you want to head over there and follow me there, you're more than welcome to. Anyway, let's get into this. The request was for a Seraphon or Lizardman siege unit, this unit being the Battering ram from the Total War Warhammer 2 game. So when I looked up this unit, I pretty much fell in love and I wanted to make it straight away, and I pretty much did the next day. I started out by modeling it in Maya. Now the first couple hours of the modeling process in Maya got corrupted, but this was the end section that I managed to capture. Once the model was complete, I pretty much made it ready on Cura to print up, and I wanted to make it printable without supports. So I had it all made ready for that, and I put it straight into the printing phase. Now because I didn't use supports, there were some parts that kind of screwed up, and as you can see here, the print really screwed up. So I went back into Cura and I added tree supports to the horns, just to make sure they didn't fall apart. Now I'm pretty sure there was nothing wrong with the model, I just had some troubles with the printer. I've had some things not sticking to the base, but I've worked out the kinks and I managed to fix it. So hopefully I won't have as much trouble printing things in the future. Anyway, once the model was all printed up, I stuck it all together, and it was pretty easy to stick together. It's just half and half, you glue it together, and then I painted it up. I used a black undercoat, and I tried to base the color scheme on the game itself. Now there was one important part of this model that I really tried to figure out, and it was the battering ability. So the middle part actually had to be able to move back and forth. And I had someone suggest in a previous video to use jewelry chain, so I've gone ahead and done that for this one here, and it's worked out perfectly. Gluing it was a little tricky, but it ended up working out in the end. Now just like in the previous Carnosaur video, I've used some Saurus warriors that I had spare, and I've just painted them up and stuck them around the side so it looks like they're carrying the thing. So what do you think of this model? Did it turn out awesome? Because it's pretty damn awesome. I'm not sure about how many games would require a siege ram, but this is one of the cooler looking siege rams I've ever seen in a Warhammer series or any kind of fantasy series. So if you wanted to download this, you can head over to Thingiverse. It's completely free, and yeah, go ahead. If you want to leave a request, you're more than welcome to in the comments below, or head over to Instagram and leave some comments on some of the pictures I got. Now before we wrap up, I'd love to share these makes that have been shared by two users on Thingiverse. The first is from Felix the Crazy, who has remixed the Skaven flying ship. He's made additional sails for the back of the ship and a cloud base, which looks insanely awesome. The second make is from Laughin' God, and it's a Skaven doom wheel. And as you can see here, it's painted pretty damn awesome, and I love it. So if you end up making any of these models yourself, feel free to share them on Thingiverse. I'd really love to check them out. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And maybe you've got a friend that might be interested in watching this video as well. It really helps sharing the video around and subscribing. It's really awesome to see all the positive comments and feedback that I'm getting in the comments below, so I really appreciate the feedback that everyone's given me, so thanks. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you around.